Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we will discuss the following topics: relation, domain, codomain and range. Last three topics are the subtopic of relation. First of all, I am going to define the term relation. According to the definition of relation, let A and B be two non-empty sets. Here A and B are two non-empty sets. Then a relation R, here R is what? R is a relation from set A to set B, is a subset of Cartesian product from A to B. What is the relation? Relation R is a subset of A cross B. For the illustration of the relation, I am taking an example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B is equal to 1, 2, 5. Here I am going to define the relation. According to these questions, relation R is defined as order pair XY is such that X is equal to Y. X is equal to Y. Now I am going to find the value of R. First of all, I am going to find A cross B. What will be the value of A cross B? A has 3 elements, 1, 2 and 3. B has also 3 elements, 1, 2 and 5. So the Cartesian product, the order of the Cartesian product from A to B are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 5. Students, we know that relation is what? Relation is a subset of A cross B. What is the relation? Relation is a subset of A cross B. And here the relation is defined as X is equal to Y. Order pair XY is such that X equal to Y. Here R is equal to, we will write this order pair 1, 1, 2, 2. We will write only these two order pairs 1, 1 and 2, 2, because the value of the first element and the second element of this order pair are equal, and the value of the first element and the second element of this order pair are also equal. So we will write only these order pairs for the relation. So the value of R is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2. Now I am coming to the next point: domain, codomain and range. What is the domain of relation? What is the domain of relation? The first element of this order pair means this is the domain of the relation. 1 is the domain and 2 is also the domain. the first element of, it means the set of all the elements of each and every order pair. The first element 1 and 2 are the domain. And what is the range? This is the domain. And this is also domain. 1 and 2 are the domain of this relation. And the second element of these two order pairs are called range. And this one and this two are the range of this relation. And what is the codomain? Codomain are the set of all the elements of set P. This is the codomain. Now I am going to repeat the term domain, codomain and range. What is the domain? Domain is the first element of the order pair of the relation. And range is what? Range is the set of all the element of second order pair. The set of second element of first order pair and the second element of second order pair. It means what is the range? Range is 1, 2. Now we are going to define the relation R. If relation R is defined as x is greater than y, let this is R2. If R2 is defined as so R2 is equal to what? Here R2 is defined as order pair xy such that x is greater than y. We will write only which order pair? This order pair, this order pair, this order pair, because the value of x is greater than y. In this one, the value of x is also greater than y. In this order pair, the value of x is greater than y. So for this relation, we will write this order pair, and this order pair. 2, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 1. Here, this is the R2. Now I am coming to the next point, domain, codomain and range. What is the domain of the relation? Domain of the relation is the first element of each and every order pair. Here, domain of R, 2, differ domain 2, 3, 3. So we will write only one times this one. And what is the range? Range is 1, 2, 1. The second element of each and every order pair are called the range of the relation. And what is the codomain? Codomain are the set of all the element of second set. This is the second set is B. So the codomain are 1, 2 and 5. Thank you children.